Okay, so this is the refrigerator, and it's probably not very organized or very clean, but I mean, you can kind of see my bins in there where I have a little bit of an organizational system going on in here. So when I load all of the new stuff in, I'll have everything kind of organized and intact. So there's some spills though up here from some drinks that have spilled, and just some crumbs and stuff down on here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this a really good wipe down and take out some of this old stuff like this. I don't think anybody's drinking that anymore, and I think this one is pretty much empty too. And then these can probably come out because these were some dinners maybe last week, so I don't think anybody's gonna eat those. And so I think everything else in here can stay in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this down really quickly, and then I'm gonna start loading all the new groceries in and basically just show you guys where I keep everything and on what shelves I keep everything on. Okay, so now I basically removed everything out of the refrigerator that was either old or didn't need to be in there. And I wiped down all the little shelves in the refrigerator. And so now I'm gonna get ready to load in my groceries from the week. I'm all done putting all of my refrigerated stuff back into the refrigerator, so I will show you what I have. Alrighty, so that looks so much better. So opening the refrigerator, on the top shelf I just keep my drinks. They don't always stay this perfectly organized as people go in grabbing, but I do try to keep everything kind of lined up in rows so that you can see exactly what and where everything is and what you're grabbing. So we've just got some Cokes right here, some vitamin waters, and some water. These are pretty standard in our refrigerator. We have some sparkling waters over here. There's just a beer in the back. And then the extra almond milk is behind this vanilla iced coffee. This is just something that I tried, so usually in this space it'll be either a vanilla iced coffee or juice or whatever else fills that space, and then these things go right here. On the side door is where I keep the current milk that we're using. So Preston's almond milk, the regular milk, and then the half and half that I bought for my iced coffees. Up here in the top shelf I just keep my butter, and these are just 2 extra yogurts that didn't really fit on the side, so I just put them on the side door. Also in the door I have just our regular condiments. So we have some jelly, Parmesan cheese, mustard, mayo, relish, all that stuff. And then down on the next one houses the salad dressings, taco sauce, and then I have my syrup in here in the refrigerator because summer is just now ending. Sometimes in the summer we get ants and they'll invade the pantry if there's any syrup left on the outside of the bottle, so it's better to just be kept in the refrigerator. That way it'll keep the ants off of it. And then down here in the very bottom I have my coffee creamer and just some caramel syrup, and then just an extra thing of ranch. Okay, on the next shelf I have just a little pull-out bin, and this is just a bin I got from the Dollar Tree. I bought it during Sammiah's spa party and I had a whole bunch of them, so I just thought that they would go good in the refrigerator. And so in here just houses like my cheese, all my different cheeses, and like grabbable stuff. So I have my Parmesan cheese, there's some feta cheese, all the shredded cheeses are in here. I just put the pepperonis in here, and then the pizza dough that we're going to be using to make our pizzas. And then in this little bin, all of these things are in mason jars because I had a country chic sort of vintage, shabby, all that stuff, baby shower or baby sprinkle earlier this year in May, and we put a lot of the condiments inside of mason jars, and I thought that they actually looked cute in there. I liked them in there. So some of these are still, like the relish is still left from that, as well as the mustard, but I just figured it'd be cute to still store those kind of things in here. You can easily see what they are and scoop them out. So we've got ketchup, mayo, mustard, relish, and this is just some Tostitos cheese. Then down on the next shelf I have the kids snack box, and I'm gonna probably put a cute little sign on here that says snacks, just because. Inside of their snack box I've put oranges, they've got some fruit cups in here, some pudding snacks, some yogurts, and then anything else that is a refrigerated snack will go ahead and go inside of there. So this box, they just know that when they get home from school they can pull it out, they can grab one of something in here, and they don't have to ask. They know that this is their box for snacks. Then back here I just have some strawberries, and then I have all of my yogurts lined up on the side. Then in this drawer, this is where I keep like my cheeses. String cheese would usually go in here if we have some, or just other cold items go in there. I've got some hot dog franks in the back, some mushrooms, and then just the deli lunch meat is in the back of that drawer. Then down on the bottom shelf in the very corner I have eggs, and then meats for dinner, the rest of our fruit, and then I have all my produce in this drawer and more produce in the bottom drawer. So thanks for joining me for my refrigerator organization video. If you are not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you want to see more videos, you can look in the description box below for links to other videos. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.